Welcome to Robot Hire, your front row seat to the cutting edge of robotics. On this show, we dive into the latest robot news.
Welcome to Robot Hire, your daily source for the latest in robotics. I'm your host, bringing you the top stories from the past 24 hours in the world of robotics. First up, in the realm of autonomous transportation, Waymo has announced the expansion of its driverless taxi service. The company has begun rolling out its fully autonomous vehicles in new cities, including San Francisco and Los Angeles. This marks a significant step forward in the commercialization of autonomous transportation. Waymo's cars are equipped with cutting-edge LiDAR, radar, and camera systems, allowing them to navigate complex urban environments without human intervention. The company reports that these vehicles have already safely completed thousands of rides, bringing us closer to a future where driverless taxis become commonplace. In healthcare, a new robotic system called SurgiBot has successfully performed its first minimally invasive surgery on a human patient. The robot, designed for laparoscopic procedures, allows surgeons to operate with greater precision and control. SurgiBot's compact design and intuitive interface mean that it can be used in smaller hospitals and clinics, making advanced robotic surgery more accessible. The system's developers believe this could revolutionize surgical care by reducing recovery times and improving patient outcomes. Over in the agricultural sector, a new robot named HarvestX is making headlines for its ability to autonomously tend to crops. HarvestX is equipped with advanced sensors and AI that allow it to monitor plant health, identify weeds, and even harvest ripe produce. The robot can operate 24/7, significantly increasing efficiency and reducing the need for human labor. This innovation could be particularly beneficial in regions facing labor shortages, ensuring that crops are harvested at their peak. In the field of home robotics, iRobot has unveiled its latest creation, the Roomba i9+, which features advanced AI for smarter cleaning. This new model can map out entire homes, recognize different types of floors, and adjust its cleaning methods accordingly. The Roomba i9+ also has enhanced obstacle avoidance, meaning it can navigate around furniture and avoid getting stuck. With the ability to learn and adapt to your home over time, this robot vacuum represents a significant leap forward in home automation. Lastly, in entertainment news, a new robot performer has taken social media by storm. The robot, named RhythmBot, is capable of playing a variety of musical instruments and has been featured in several viral videos showcasing its impressive skills. RhythmBot uses machine learning to improvise and create unique musical compositions in real time, often collaborating with human musicians. This has sparked a lot of interest and excitement about the potential for robots in creative industries. That wraps up today's episode of Robot Hire. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe and follow us for your daily dose of robotics news. Until next time, keep an eye on the future.
We hope you enjoyed the show. If you did, make sure to like, rate, and review. We'll be back soon. But in the meantime, hit the website at robothire.com. See you next time on Robot Hire.